So next you're going to hear some examples of me playing those LT6, but now using eighth note triplets and quarter note triplets. The first example, I'm going to be going back and forth between the two. The second example, I'm going to be descending, using it as freely as I want, going back and forth, choosing when to use which rhythmic component. And then the third example is me staying within a certain range, using the rhythmic components freely. I think this is really important to set yourself strict parameters in introducing new rhythmic components. So then when you actually improvise with these different rhythmic components like quarter note triplets and eighth note triplets, it's a lot more under control, and you're more in the pocket. Using something that's really familiar and something that's really specific will help you when you go to the improvisational lane. All right, have fun.